Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Bubbly. This is a new one that they had at the store. It's called Mango Bubbly, and I've tried a lot of their other flavors, but I've never tried the mango one. So here's the nutrient panel and the ingredients. So natural flavor, that's pretty much it. So let's open this up. Here we go. Let's try this out. Ooh, it's very nice. The mango aroma that comes from it is like, I don't know if you've ever had this mango pudding. It's literally like smells and almost has a flavor of mango pudding. So really good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.